guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, today I'll be doing an unboxing. For Christmas last year, I asked for a subscription to the Allure monthly beauty box, and I wanted this for a really long time, and I'm really glad I finally signed up for it, or got it for Christmas, because I have previously been a member of Ipsy, and I really enjoyed having that subscription, but I just felt like I had heard so many better things about Allure than Ipsy, and I really wanted to give this a try. I canceled my Ipsy a while ago, but I really did miss receiving a bag or a box each month that I got, it's like a mini little Christmas each month. So this is a February box, and I thought I would show you what's inside and my reactions to it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I got my handy scissors. Ooh, okay. So the first thing I got is a pamphlet description info thing that just mentions all the products. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Where do I start? Okay, I'm just gonna grab what's at the top of the box right here. This is the Juice Beauty Liquid Lip, and it's in the shade, oh, it's in the shade Gwyneth, because Gwyneth Paltrow is the creative director of Juice Beauty. It says that it's formulated with all organic ingredients. It's just this really dark pink / purplish color. I don't usually wear colors like this, so we'll see how that goes. It says that the full size is usually $24. You can buy it at juicebeauty.com. Next thing this box has is the Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara by Tarte. This is just one of their classic mascaras. I've seen it in Sephora all the time, and this is the black shade. Okay, that's a pretty good size. Okay, I'm a fan of the wand. I've heard pretty good things about this mascara. The full size is $23. You can get it from Tarte. I have tried Tarte's Lash Camera Lashes mascara, and I really like that, so I'm sure that this will be good too. Okay, the next thing I see in here is probably what I'm most excited about because it looks like a full-size compact cushion. This is the Essence Moonlighter Cushion Calming Moisture Technology, and it's in the shade Glinting Bluff? Nope, Glinting Bluff. It's really small, so it's hard to see. Ooh, I'm a fan of this. I really like the shape of the cushion. It's like a little teardrop and it's pink. Let me see. Oh, it's a highlighter! Okay, this is really interesting. It's actually a highlighter. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here. Okay, can you guys see that? It says it's the, I think it's pronounced CLE, or C-L-E, Essence Moonlighter Cushion. It's originally $30, and you can buy it from clecosmetics.com. Okay, cool. I'm really excited to try that. The next thing in this box is the Skin Fix Natural Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm. And it says it's made of 40% coconut oil, so that's exciting because I freaking love coconut oil. It seems like it's just a normal lip balm. It's the original price is $4.99, and you can get it from QVC, so just a normal drugstore lip balm. The last thing that I see in this box is the Kale Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Age Prevention Moisture Cream, and it looks like it's by the company Youth to the People. Oh wow, cool. Okay, it's 100% vegan ingredients and no parabens, no added fragrance, no added color. It's a really, really small sample, but I can imagine it's pretty expensive. Oh yeah, okay. The full size is $48, and you can get it from youthtothepeople.com. It says the light touch texture of the hyaluronic acid formula. The editors are a big fan. Overall perfect, super subtle scent. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, the scent's really subtle. Just a small sample, but I'm excited to try this out. Okay, so that's the end of this month's unboxing. Overall, I would say I've received better boxes in the past, but I'm still really excited to try out these products. I'd probably say the thing I'm most excited for is the compact cushion highlighter. Yeah, it'll be really interesting to see how that goes. And if I like some of the products, they'll be put in my monthly favorites. So definitely watch some of my monthly favorite videos to see if I become huge fans of any of these products. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. And yeah, that's it. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!